So I'm going to do this in one take to show that I'm not pulling no crazy tricks or any stunts like that. These are regular lighters, right? Nothing weird or unordinary about them. Regular lighters you could pick up at the dollar store. Got this mug, bottle of water. It's filled to the brim. You can see that. All right. So I'm going to take this lighter that you just saw me light and dip it into the mug, right? So now I can try lighting this as much as I want to. It won't light, right? But now I take the other regular lighter. Well, one sec. And this lighter that's not working. And boom. So this represents the human psyche, right? You get drowned in all these negative emotions, trauma, and stuff like that. But all it takes is someone to come in and help you out in your situation. And then you can light again. Boom. Mind blown.